Hey guys, MinerJP here, and today we're back for another video. And this time, as you guys can probably see, we are doing the 4x4. And fortunately enough for us is that this cube is already scrambled for me, so I did not need to do any sort of editing for a scramble. So yeah, this cube was scrambled while I was at summer camp, and there's this 6-year-old kid who really like to touch my cubes and scrambling them. And so yeah, and the talent show was like the last day at the camp, and he scrambled it right after we finished the performance. And I was like, meh, I don't want to solve it, so I just put it in the box and took it back with me. So yeah, so it's left like this, so I'm gonna solve it. And oh, excuse me, 3 minutes or less. Yeah. So let's go solving. So I'm gonna have my time here, and let me inspect first. Okay. So I'm gonna start solving. Sorry guys if the cube is not gonna be in the frame, because somehow, some reason, when my tablet records, it zooms in on itself. So I'm like, okay. So yeah. Yep, it's not gonna make it any better. So yeah, let's start solving it. Ready, set, go. Oh, great. That was a bad try. Oh, guys, I lied, I guess. I didn't finish it in 2 minutes or less. I mean, 3 minutes or less. So, yeah. Let's just forget that I said under 3 minutes, but I can do it in 3 minutes or less, but I don't know. Maybe this time I was just positioning my hand too weirdly because I'm trying to reach over to the camera while I'm solving this. Or my tablet to be exact, so yeah. And also, this cube was also not bought by me. It was also given to me since they see me solving Rubik's cubes and they're like, hey, look, he solved this. I'm like, no, well, I can learn. So it took 2 days to learn this, or a week to learn this, and remember all the algorithms. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You hope that was entertaining. Maybe not because you're just looking at me solving a cube. So, but yeah, enough chit chat. This is MinerJP. Peace out.